This is your daily story. Begin by placing both hands on your chest and take a deep breath. Feeling the steady rhythm of your breath moving in and out, and as you exhale, imagine releasing judgment, resistance, or fear. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment, ready to explore the healing power of boundaries. How often have you struggled to say no or felt guilt when someone crossed your boundaries? Perhaps you have judged your anger as dangerous or inappropriate, believing it's better to stay quiet or agreeable. Yet anger is a natural and healthy response when your boundaries are crossed. It's your body's way to saying, this is not okay. So if you judge your anger, you also judge your ability to set boundaries. And without boundaries, others might not take you seriously, and worse, you might not take yourself seriously. This makes it harder to express what you need and respect both your limits and the limits of others. So when you suppress your anger and avoid setting boundaries, you disempower yourself and invite frustration and resentment. Boundaries are your personal declaration of saying no or stop. Express with clarity and, if needed, with energy. And without clear boundaries, others can easily overstep, leaving you feeling unheard or disrespected. On the flip side, difficulties respecting others' boundaries often reflects your own struggles with expressing limits. And this creates confusion and imbalance in relationship, preventing intimacy and authentic connection. So the key to healing lies in embracing your anger as a healthy, empowering force. Setting boundaries is the outward expression of your inner power. It's your way of saying, I respect myself and I need you to respect me too. It's also important to understand the difference between a boundary and a limit. Boundaries are personal. They're about what you will or won't accept, independent of anyone else. Limits are relational. They arise in response to what others want and might vary dependent on who you are engaging with. Sometimes you might need to let a boundary to be crossed to discover where it lies and set it more clearly. And when setting limits, it's vital to respect your own needs while also considering the limits of others. So let's explore this today. Close your eyes and think of a time someone crossed a boundary. Place one hand on your heart and the other one on your belly, and take a deep breath. Notice any anger or discomfort that arises, and rather than judging it, say to yourself, this anger is my power and it's here to protect me. Now imagine expressing a boundary in that situation. How would it feel to say no or stop with firmness and clarity? So let your breath carry the energy of your boundaries as you say it out loud or in your mind. Finally, think of a limit you have been struggling to respect, your own or someone else's. Reflect on what made it difficult and how you can honor that limit moving forward by still acknowledging of what you want in the moment. So this practice helps you responding with the healthy power of anger and the clarity of boundaries. By respecting your own limits and those of others, you create a foundation of trust and respect in all your relationships. So clear boundaries and limits make it easier to understand and express what you truly want. So today, notice moments where boundaries or limits come into play. Practice expressing them with clarity and energy when needed. And when engaging with others, pay attention to their limits and honor them fully. The more you practice, the stronger and more confident you will feel. And as you move through your day, remember that boundaries and limits are not barriers. They are pathways to connection, intimacy, and understanding. Tomorrow, we'll explore the embodiment of love and care for others. And this is where the orgasmic blueprint comes into play. For today, honor your boundaries, respect your limits, and feel the healing power they bring.